The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 8, B. 9, C. 7. The correct answer is A. 8. Which is the southernmost point of India? A. Indira Point, B. Kanyakumari, C. Ramaswaram. The correct answer is A. Indira Point. The largest river in India is A. Godavari, B. Yamuna, C. Ganga. The correct answer is C. Ganga. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala. The correct answer is B. Gujarat. Which is known as the Land of Five Rivers? A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan. The correct answer is B. Punjab. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution of India came into force on A. January 26, 1947, B. January 26, 1950, C. August 15, 1947. The correct answer is B. January 26, 1950. The Parliament of India consists of A. Lok Sabha only, B. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, C. Rajya Sabha only. The correct answer is B. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. How many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? A. 10, B. 12, C. 11. The correct answer is C. 11. The governor of a state is appointed by A. President, B. Chief Minister, C. Prime Minister. The correct answer is A. President. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1858. The correct answer is A. 1757. Who was the founder of the Mauryan Empire? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Bindusara. The correct answer is B. Chandragupta Maurya. The Quit India movement was launched in A. 1930, B. 1942, C. 1947. The correct answer is B. 1942. The first Tamil Sangam was held at A. Madurai, B. Kapadapuram, C. Then Madurai. The correct answer is C. Then Madurai. Who was known as the Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta, B. Ashoka, C. Harshavardhana. The correct answer is A. Samudragupta. The chemical formula of common salt is A. Na2CO3, B. NaCl, C. KCl. The correct answer is B. NaCl. Which gas is used for respiration by human beings? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. The speed of light is A. 3 × 10⁶ meter per second, B. 3 × 10⁸ meter per second, C. 3 × 10⁴ meter per second. The correct answer is B. 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. The human heart has how many chambers? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4. The correct answer is C. 4. Vitamin C is also known as A. thiamine, B. ascorbic acid, C. Riboflavin. The correct answer is B. Ascorbic acid. RBI stands for A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Rural Bank of India, C. Regional Bank of India. The correct answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. The GST was implemented in India on A. 2016, B. 2017, C. 2018. The correct answer is B. 2017. Digital India program was launched in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016. The correct answer is A. 2014. Which is India's first 100% digital bank? A. Airtel Bank, B. Paytm Payments Bank, C. SBI. The correct answer is C. Paytm Payments Bank. Make in India slogan was launched to A. Promote Indian tourism, B. Boost manufacturing in India, C. Improve rural banking. The correct answer is B. Boost manufacturing in India.